Hey guys, so today we're gonna make butter garlic shrimp. Keep on watching so you know how to make this delicious dish. Alright, so for this recipe you're gonna need shrimp, butter, fresh lemon juice, olive oil for frying, paprika, you can't see it there's salt, pepper, and you're gonna need rice seasoning called furikake. You're gonna need cilantro for garnish, flour for dredging, and also a whole bunch of garlic. Alright, so to start, you gotta put all the shrimp into a very, very big mixing bowl. And then you gotta coat the shrimp with flour. Now this is gonna go and cover some of the moisture up and also make it easier for it to go and fry when it's in a pan. Mix all the flour up into the shrimp. Get it very well coated, okay? And then you just put on your fire. And then we're gonna put the pan onto the fire and get it really hot. Alright, and then we put some olive oil onto the pan so that the shrimp will not stick to the pan. So get it really, really nice and hot, okay? We need it super hot. We don't want lukewarm shrimp here. We want crispy, nice shrimp. And then after that, you can just continue to put all the shrimp that you dredged with flour onto the pan and cook it thoroughly until the shrimp turns pink. Alright, so once one side is done cooking, flip the shrimp over so the other side can cook. You want to make sure that both sides are pink so that you don't die from food poisoning. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so once the shrimp is almost done cooking, proceed to put the minced garlic into the frying pan. Make sure to always move around the shrimp so that way it absorbs all that garlic goodness. After a minute of stirring the garlic and the shrimp together, then proceed to put your stick of butter into the shrimp. Girl, it's gonna be delicious! And of course, we have to have seasoning, so please make sure you put salt, pepper, and the paprika that I showed you before into the shrimp. We want delicious shrimp, okay? Not bland shrimp. Dun 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 dun. Season it up! Season it up! Season it. Alright, you don't have to do this, but you know, I wanted to do the flick of the wrist action. So, flip over the shrimp into the frying pan, okay? Oh, the garlic just flicked into my camera, but that's okay, guys. The shrimp is going to be delicious. Alright, so once it's done cooking, then you go and proceed to put them onto a bowl for later plating. Alright, so then you just put the last little shrimp into the bowl. Oh, gotta get all that flavor into the bowl, alright? Alright, so using that fresh lemon from before, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of its juices onto the butter garlic shrimp. And then we can top it off with a little bit of cilantro. Ooh, how pretty does that look? Alright, so that's garlic butter shrimp. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.